Hi, let's discuss something about acceleration. What is this acceleration? You might have daily heard it when you're gonna buy some cars or bikes. You'd be likely to hear something like that. This bike gonna have an acceleration of 0 to 100 kilometer per hour within in 5 seconds. Such a way you're gonna have this. What does this means? What does technically acceleration means? It is changing the velocity over a period of time. So acceleration is technically defined as changing velocity over a period of time. As you know that velocity is a vector scale, vector quantity, I mean to say. Whenever you gonna tell something like this, it has only magnitude, and it represents a scalar quantity. So you need to add some direction, like 0 to 100 km per hour in the right direction, in the forward, like in the east or west, such a way. Then it becomes a, what do you say, vector quantity. Acceleration is basically a vector quantity, since it is change in the velocity over a period of time. This is what actually acceleration is known as. Since velocity is an vector quantity, you can't just define the speed. Speed is a scalar quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. So in the above example, when the bike seller says that his bike goes to 0 to 100 km per hour in 5 seconds, what is the acceleration? Acceleration is change in velocity. What is the velocity? Let us take in the right direction, or else it becomes a speed. It never becomes a velocity unless you take the direction. Okay, change in the velocity. What is the change in the velocity? It is 100 km per hour minus 0 km per hour. When you are in the initial stage, like say when your bike starts here, it will be in 0 velocity. So divided by time, and this time is also a vector quantity. So in what seconds? 5 seconds. So what is the acceleration here? 100 by 100 km per hour by 5 seconds. So when you're gonna cancel it, it is 20, something like 20, yeah, 20, what happened to this? 20 km per hour per second. What does this define? What is this acceleration? When you're gonna start your bike, let's think this is your speedometer. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. When you start your bike, at the first 0 second, it will be at 0. When you, in the very first second, its acceleration can reach 20 speed. In the third second, 40. In the fourth second, 60. In such a way, am I right? Once again, yeah. In third second, 60. In the fourth second, 80. Fifth second, 100. So what is the acceleration particularly defines? It is that what your vehicle can reach the speed per second. This is what it actually defines. We can still further simplify it. How 20 km per hour per second, it's like 20 kilometer I'm sorry, it's per hour per second. When the hour comes down, it becomes 20 kilometer per hour second. When you multiply like 1 hour with some 36,600 seconds, hour will get cancelled. So 20 kilometer per 3600 second square. So something like 181 by 180 second square is your acceleration. Yeah, in particular definition it's a vector quantity, so in the right direction. So this is what acceleration stands for. Acceleration is the change in the velocity over period of time. This is what acceleration stands for. Thank you, friends.